Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to change the location of your YouTube account. So if you want to change the location of your YouTube account, you can do it by using this feature of YouTube. First you need to open your YouTube account, and here you need to select the profile icon at the top right side corner. Now you need to scroll down and click on the setting option. Under setting option there are lots of options will be given, but you need to select the general option. Under general option you will see that there is an option called location. Click on it. Now here you can choose any region where you want to choose that location where you want to see that content also. So if you want to choose any region, YouTube will show you a content related to that region. So this is the way to change the location of your YouTube account. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to change the location of your YouTube account. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.